Hello, my dear students. I'm Güzide teacher. I hope you are all good. Let's read a book. Our story name is It's Raining, It's Pouring. There is an old man. He has got a kitty. It is a little cat. Old man says, "Look, kitty. It's raining. It's pouring. Don't go out tonight. Stay here. Stay with me." Meow, says Kitty. I think it means yes. Good night, Kitty. Time for bed, says the old man. Meow, says Kitty. I think it means good night. The old man gets into bed. Bang! He bumps his head. Oh my God! Oh dear! He goes to sleep straight away. Look, the old man is sleeping. He is snoring. Kitty is sleeping too. She's snoring too. Uh-oh, look. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. It is 11 o'clock in the morning. The old man is still sleeping. Kitty jumps on the bed. Is it time for breakfast? Asked the old man. Meow, she says. What a clever cat you are, says the old man.
Look, Kitty, it's raining. It's pouring,
says the old man.
Don't go out tonight. Stay here with me.
Meow, says Kitty.
Good night, Kitty. Time for bed,
says the old man. Meow, says Kitty. The old man gets into bed. Bang! He bumps his head. Oh dear! He goes to sleep straight away. The old man is sleeping. He is snoring. Kitty is sleeping. She is snoring too. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. The old man is still sleeping. Kitty jumps on the bed.
Meow. Is it time for breakfast?
Asks the old man. Meow, she says.
What a clever cat you are.
says the old man. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning.
Thanks for watching. Well done. You are perfect. Goodbye.